The attribute table is opened by layer and accessed from the Layers widget. In this example, we'll look at the attributes for RCI roads affected by sea level rise, which is located in the Affected Transportation folder after loading a sea level rise scenario. To open the attribute table, simply click on the layer name, in this case RCI roads, and select Open Attribute Table. The attribute table will open in the bottom half of the map viewer and will only include features that are currently visible in the map extent. If you pan or zoom across the map, the records in the attribute table will not automatically refresh. You need to click Refresh Table to update the records that correspond to the current map extent. Within the attribute table, you can sort features by clicking on a field or column name. You may need to expand the field width to reveal the field name. Do this by dragging the field to the right. For example, you may want to sort the table based on the road segments with the highest percentage exposure to flooding under this sea level rise scenario. To do this, click on the % affected field twice to sort it descending, from highest to lowest. From here, we can see that the North Beach street segment has the highest % exposure to flooding. Click on the record to select it. Then we can choose Zoom to Selected Features from the Zoom dropdown. You will see the selected road segment in yellow. To clear the selected segment, click Clear, then Clear Selected Features. Because we zoomed in, we should refresh the table to show only features in the map extent. Finally, the attribute table allows you to export records to a table. Click the Export button and then choose whether you want either an Excel spreadsheet or a comma-delineated file. To close the attribute table, click on the red X in the top left corner of the table.